Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a new build. Today we're building Pikachu. It's one of these small glass puzzles where you have these pieces that will go fit very nicely together and you get a nice little statue at the very end. So let's just quickly jump into it. I like to do these without an instruction manual. I mean, I've done one before. It's not like I've done many, but that's the fun part of it. Yeah, you can follow a guide, but what's the fun in that? So let's begin. Immediately, I'm seeing this base piece, and I also do see this, which is clearly legs, right? It's a pair of feet. So I'm assuming this just goes in here. Yeah, perfect. Now we have this. So what else do we have? We have the tail. So it's obviously the tail. We have the ears. This, which seems to be the tail. Let me see if this actually goes in. Okay, yeah. So that's the back part. Can I just start with this? No, I think I need more pieces to go here before I can actually attach this. What is this? That's the front, isn't it? Would this go over here? Is it the back? Okay, this is probably the front, and probably more things need to go before I can attach this. So what else do I have? This seems like it's something that'll hold the head. I have this rod, which might just go in. Does it? Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe from this side it goes in. Oh. So like that. I don't know what builds on top of this, but maybe this is the base for the head. But okay, what else? This seems like it's also a base for the head. So let's try to find pieces that complete the feet that we already have. So we are looking for anything works. Don't even know where to begin here. Definitely not this though. I don't feel like this piece is going to go here. Yeah. What else could go there? Or we could also start with one of these, like this one, and try to go from the other side. So immediately, I'm sure if you guys are able to see, there are two slots here and here. And now you can see. And I will try to find a piece that actually fits that. Something that has two corners that can go in. Is there anything like that? Not this. Not this. None of those. Nothing over there. Oh, this one. Right? It's not that obvious, is it? So this can probably just, yeah, perfect fit. Now we have more of the back, more on the upper side. So we continue building here. We now need a piece that goes over there. How obvious is it? Not that obvious. Maybe not the best build for a video, but hopefully we can finish this pretty quickly. I need something that goes in. Oh, I also need a huge piece that goes on top. Maybe that's, oh, it's this. Yeah, that goes over here right now though. it's not attached to anything else, so it just bends backward. It's kind of loose, but oopsies. Let me make sure everything is properly spaced. Alright, so where did I grab this from? Here. I can't just attach it to this, can I? Maybe I can. No, not yet. No. There needs to be more. Okay, so something goes over here, and that could be not you, right? Yeah. Not you either. Definitely not you. Could be one of you. No. Probably a smaller piece, but I don't have any. I only have huge pieces here. Help? I tried this already. This seems like an okay-ish fit. It is clearly not. How about this? This has a lot of... No. Oh, that's the face. Oh, that's the face. That just screams Pikachu. Get the eyes on it. Okay. So, let's continue. Is one of these it? No, it can't be. So it's one of these layered ones. That's why it's hard to find. So some of them have 2 layers. You can see over here, and it's very tricky to figure out which side goes in first. Could be this. No. This is a huge piece. I really doubt it's gonna be this one. Yeah. Something very small that probably goes in between here. So let's leave this over here. Let's try to find a fit for this guy. And for this guy, we need something that goes into this and this at the same time, which is not that obvious again. But yeah, let's see if there is such a piece. It could be that it's a combination of 2 pieces, which is what makes this hard. Oh, this feels like it has all the right curves. Oh yeah. Okay. So we have some sort of a fit. Oops. Yep, there it goes. Let me try to retrieve that. Okay, piece retrieved. So how was it? This had the right curve, which goes in here, and now we have a body. It's very loose because I need more things to be attached here. Immediately I'm seeing a very narrow gap, which should be easy to find, to fill. Is it? Is it though? Maybe it's better if we try to fill the other side. This doesn't attach still, right? Yeah. I don't think this attaches. Should I try it? No, I can't. It's hard. But I need something that connects. Well, it has to be one of the ones that have curves to the side, because it's part of the body, like this. This is massive. Holy hell. So definitely not this yet. This might be the front. Could be this. This is the chubby part. This has some good curves, which means maybe it goes on the other side. Let's leave it here for now. Let's try to fill the weird piece. So we have a very tiny gap over here. It's obvious from this angle. Something needs to go in here, and it's a very weird looking narrow shape. And I can't seem to find it. It's not this. It's not this. It's definitely not this. Not that. It's not this. Have I exhausted all my options? Oh, here. Oh, no, not really. No, it's not this either. Here? Could it be this? No. Could it be this? No. Then it can't be anything. It wasn't that. Maybe, let's see if I can. No, I can't. Oh, maybe nothing goes there, actually. It could be that it gets filled in by like this piece or something. The rod goes right through the middle. That could definitely be the case. Okay, so then let's start working on the back. Let's try to find the piece that beautifully slides upwards. It's definitely not this. Well, it is. It actually is that. And yeah, it seems like there is a rod in the middle. You can see this gap over here. This is, we probably fill that with one of these cylinders. So now we have one more piece for the back. Are we able to attach the back now? Still no? Still no. Okay. So one more then. Is this part of the back? That is part of the back. Okay, so one more shape has to go on top of this, and it has to complete the behind, which this is not it. Could it be this? I doubt it. It can't be something this big, no. It can't be this one. Why do I feel like this one is broken? No, it's not. It just feels like it. Could be any of these. Oh yeah. Could be this. Oh, it could very much be this. Why is it? This is a perfect fit. No. If not here, then maybe the front. Yeah, this is such a good piece. This definitely goes on the bottom. And this is the front, right? Yeah. This could be it. I think I tried this already. I may have tried this already. Yeah. These two may just complete each other actually. Has to be this then? No? Or do I even have any options left? This is huge, that's not it. This does not go in. Ba, 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 ba. And this one. Not really. How about this one? I don't think I've tried this. Maybe I have, actually. Okay, no. Well, what is this shape? Then, how would something like this work? It does not. How about this? I've tried that. Okay, maybe we do actually connect. Oh, maybe, no, this is not the back. Could this be the back? No. What is this? This could be part of the face. The head. And, not this one either. Okay, it appears that I have gone through everything. It's one of these that the orientation is just tricky to figure out. Is it not this? It is not that. Are we sure we can't just connect this over here? Oh, pretty sure. Oops. So, then let's try something. Where did this come from? This goes... Wait, where was this? Help, 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 help. Help, 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 help. Was this even connected? Yes, it was. Yeah, it's the one with the good curves, right? The good curve will go in. No, how did I... Oh, this is such a tricky one. Well, it feels like it'll be like this. No. Was it the other way? May have been the other way. Not like that, not like that. It's either this or this. Help! Why is this so tricky? Oh, we have two sides actually. So it's definitely the back side, but which part of the back side was it? Oh, it was making this weird shape? No. Wait, why is this so hard? That is what she said. Let me make sure this is... Oh, this was between these. Was it? That's right, that's right. So the first one was definitely like that. Second one, I'm pretty sure it has to be somewhere like that. Why does it not fit? What? Let's put it there, and then huh. This will... Oh, it was... Oh, it was between them. Okay. Oh, that's tricky. Okay. So let's leave it there. Hopefully we don't kick it. Oh, it's off camera. Leave it over here. And now let's start working from the back. So there's definitely a hole in this back, which we would fill with, maybe with this rod. Something has to go in. If it's not this, it has to be that. But I think it was that. Does this go in? It does. But is this right? Oh, maybe we try to push it here and then... Yeah. This feels right. So now we push this thingy through, which would be the base that holds everything, I'm assuming. This goes on top, which also will have one of these. Or maybe... Oh! I did hit it. Maybe it's this one? No. Okay, this one I'll figure it out. But let's start from here. Now we need a piece that fits in there. What fits in there? Actually, maybe it's this one. Put this over there. Put this in between. Oh, this is so tricky. Let me make sure this just works. Does this go over there? No, this goes over here. And then this goes in between. Okay, so we have this. We have that. That will go in here. But this is not a good fit. So something needs to go between these two. And the thing that goes between, we'll figure it out in a second. Let's push the rod in. Let's connect this. Okay, so now what will go on top of this? My options should be something like that actually. We want something small. Like this. Oh, perfect. Okay. Perfect fit. Now we need, we still need more. Or is it enough? No, I do still see, well. No, actually, it might be it. Can I now just attach this to that? Let's see. Does this go in? Ah, perfect. Alright. Then this goes over here, and now we can connect the two together. How was it? Well, definitely not like that. This. Perfect. Okay, we got half a Pikachu. This is lovely. Okay, now I need something to fill this, which I think I know exactly what. This guy. Go in. It has to be you. You're kidding me. Are you kidding me, or you are kidding me? What? Unless you go below that. It's not you? No, it is you. Oh, I can't believe this didn't fit. Oopsies. Then if that doesn't fit, maybe there's another piece that's shaped exactly like that. Something like this? No. No, this should be a fit. Okay, let me show you guys. Oh, of course you can't see. So I would need to just make this work. Why is it not working? What is wrong here? This is such a perfect fit. It's just the other way around. And I don't think I can just rotate it. No, I can't. How? Oh, this is so funny. This is made for this. Oh, it's this one, isn't it? This looks exactly like that. Okay, it was this. Okay. And then I'm assuming this still comes on top. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, okay. This comes on top. Now what? Now we need this guy. No? Feels like a good fit though. Okay, maybe not. If not that guy, then maybe you? Oh, maybe you. No, it's not you. Okay. What could potentially go in there? You. Okay, yeah. So this guy goes in, but I need a bunch of things before I place this. So this is early. Let's put it over there. This is even hard to see for me. Oof. Okay, I would need something to, well, I would need a very tiny edge. Is it this one? Could be this one, but it's the other way around. So I'm not seeing it anywhere here. How am I not seeing it? This needs to be very obvious, no? Oh, this is the piece that... Oh, it's this one. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, that was such a good fit. Then I think we can immediately place this. Great, 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 great. What's to the side over here? Are these hands? Does Pikachu have hands? Of course. Okay, yeah, that's one of the hands. Nice. Look at that. And I'm assuming the second hand also goes around here. Nice. It actually goes in. Oh. We have already something on top of it to hold it in. And now I'm looking for a very weird piece. I don't even know how to describe this one. What? Could be something like that. Oh, it is that. Nice, nice, nice. But I need to start filling the head. I can't continue with this one. I am already actually missing a bunch. No. Oops, there goes one of the hands. Huh, this is not great. I'm missing things. Okay, can you hold? Please hold. That's the hand. Okay, it is holding. I think you can already see that I'm missing some pieces to go on the back. Let's try to figure out if we can make it over here. So that's the back. What can go in here? We have a nice little curve. It's not this one. So if it's not that one, could it be this one? This does not have a nice curve. This one doesn't either. Not for this. Oh, actually, do I put this in? No. Oh, how about we start from the mouth then? I think we start from the mouth. No, we don't. But now we have one of these inside the mouth. Let's go back over here. So this is clearly... Oh, I think this actually just goes here straight up. But, so this is the leg. This is the body, which probably just goes on top of the leg. Yeah, exact fit. Then this and this likely connect the entire thing together. So they're both part of the body and the head. So these are not relevant right now. Do you have the nice curve? No. What could go in here? Have I tried you? Oh, you seem like you have a nice curve. But no, this doesn't work either. This seems like it's one of the ears though. Yeah. Okay, so we already have one ear. Oh, this actually gives me a lot of information. Second ear is this one? No. What could the second ear be? It's you. Okay. If it's you, then you probably go under? No? Huh. Oh, you go over here. Okay, it was over, it wasn't under. Alright, beautiful, beautiful. And, what next? Something needs to fit over here, and it's not you. Oh, maybe it's you. It was you. Okay. And then what? At what point does this go in? Not now. Definitely not now. Then, this doesn't go in here either. Not yet. This could be it. Okay. This does fit. The problem, though, is something has to go under it first. So what goes under it? It's not you. It's never you, is it? No. It's not you. It can't be you. It cannot be you either, which makes me think it's actually already on that piece. And if that's there, then maybe this goes on, well, from the back, right? Yeah. Let's switch to the back. Does anything complete this guy? You do. Ah, perfect, perfect. Do you want to go in here somehow? Not yet. Okay. What am I looking at right now? This guy. This is what completes everything, isn't it? Oh, this actually, this perfectly fits that. Ah, beautiful. Which means, does it mean anything? It means a lot, actually. Okay, wait. I don't want to lose everything. I will lose some things. Which is sad, but I need this out. Please. Nice. Okay. Do you go on top? Yes, you do. And you go over there. And now I need to push this in. Oh, perfect! Ooh, nice. We completed this whole thing. Also, what was that? I don't need you. Stop. Okay. So, now we're almost done. What are you? I don't know. Are you the leg? No. Probably the face. Okay. Let's make sure we have the hand in. Which part is the face again? Oh, we're missing things. Oh, this has to go in. Oh no, how? How would I ever do this? Wait. Okay. Yeah, you go out. I don't need you right now. Let's try to take this out as well. Oh. Not like that. Let's just keep that over there. Make sure we don't lose everything. Losing some things, it's fine. Losing everything is horrible. Okay, perfect. And where did this come from? Over here? Yes. Okay, so now that I detached this part, I can actually see something that could potentially go in over there. Is it this? Oh, the whole thing just goes in? Oh. Why did the legs come off? So this was connected to this like that. And now I somehow need to squeeze this in. This is gonna be awkward. I really need the face, do I not? Where does the face go? Let's try to get the face working, and then everything else I think will just come into place. I don't know what goes here though. Huh? Is this here? Yes, this feels right. So now we have the face. What goes on top of the face? You, right? This entire thing just goes in. Oh. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. And where was this? This was on front? How did I... Oh, it was over there. How do I make this though? Please. Go in. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. We have very good progress. We are missing something that goes below here though. The cheeks are not massive, are they? Let's take this off. Is this the cheek? No. Okay, good to know. If it's not, then... Is it here? Oh, yeah. I can't go with this just yet because I'm missing two. One goes here. Perfect. One goes on top. Or let's do this again. Actually, no. Well, we are missing a hand, I think. Are we? Are we missing things? Oops. So far so good. Now this goes in. No, it doesn't. It does. Okay. Where's the other hand? Oh, it's this one? Yeah. So now we can place all of this. We place the other hand in. Okay. Getting very close. Oops. Let's put this down now. Does this go in? Yes. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, maybe the base wasn't a good idea. Let's get rid of the base. Let's bring this back. Okay, let's quickly put this back in. This goes here, this goes... Where'd you go? Over there. Make sure the rod is placed properly. And now, let's just build from here. So, definitely not this yet. Oh, actually. Yeah, that works. We are missing the hand though. Perfect. Managed to squeeze it in. The other hand goes over here. Nice. Okay. Now we build everything else from this side. So first of all, where's the rod? Oh, it comes from the other side. Okay. So first of all, we place this. This goes over here, right? Does it? Please come off. It doesn't. No. Let's put this back in. Alright, so we know this is there. We are able to place... We need to place something over there. It has to be you. Beautiful. And now this goes over here, but something needs to be below it. That thing is probably not you. Or is it? Let's see. No, it's not you. You're... Well, I still don't know where that thing goes. But we know that these guys, this is a perfect fit. And this finishes the entire thing later. This has to be this one. This is the perfect fit. Well, this goes before that. Now how? Like this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Not that. This. Okay. Alright. Then something like that. Then this on top. And then this goes over here. Okay. And then I want to say this, but probably gotta connect this one first. Actually, probably gonna need to connect both at the same time. Let's do this, and yeah. Okay. 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 Come on. Everything fit into place. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm so close. Okay. Nice. And there we have it. That's so beautiful. We have a completed Pikachu. It is still wobbly, but that's how it goes. At least it's stable. There it goes. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's so lovely. Okay. Pikachu. Yeah, this was fun. I love doing these puzzles without the instruction manual. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, please go ahead and leave a like and wait for even more epic builds. Thanks for watching. See ya.